Ni kedai bati CCTV. Bat pidang pet yaki kubor paman kesni. Balawan rasya pidang Modrina Auto Enterprises Maulanong Kwar TSS Road Shillong. Ringkat bat ka Orange Nissan Looms Hope Ho Shillong. Wan bantiet yaka kali Datsun ready go batamai. Kabas kem bat bidor.
Sembut Menteri Rang Ba Jong Kejela ubak Prestun Tensong. Ula kentu iki pat ba nong song snong Jong Kejela bakidai ban sumar bahaya lade bat ban bot renti ru ya ki jing ptha bala penjeri de Sorkar Jela lembaga tenat Jong Kekoj Kekhia. Ha kejingi keren bat kilat pathai kubor ubak Prestun Tensong ula pan ru ya kejingi trailang ni pat ba khnang ban yada ya kejing saphriang Jong kejing pangklam corona ha Kejela borok kawai.
I keep saying this, from the government side, what we are requesting people is, please take care yourself individually. Because the fight of coronavirus is not through the government alone, but you have to fight individually. If you want to be safe, you need to also play safe and stay safe. I think that is the best medicine for every one of us. In fact, still contact tracing is being done. We are handling the situation well, but the only problem, as I said to you, if those high-risk contact, where we call it high-risk contact, sometimes what happens, the moment we identify, we ask them, you please come for testing, this, that, and then after that you isolate yourself, because right now the best medicine is you need to isolate in your respective houses, because that is very important to every citizen of the state. Because see, if you isolate yourself like in corona care centers or in quarantine centers, it will ultimately affect your mindset also. See, mentally you get disturbed. When you're staying alone, all alone in a small room, it's just like a jail. So therefore, the protocol from the Ministry of Health says that we encourage home quarantine. We encourage people to stay at home, but stay yourself isolated. That is important. And now, see, the ICMR has already changed even the protocols. Protocols now is only 10 days. And once you completed 10 days means the virus is dying by this.